Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Bitcoin is still pumping to the upside and to our next target to around 40k. And when we get there, it's gonna get ugly. Let's look at the charts. And what I mean by getting ugly is the market maker structure, because we form a W bottom back in December last year. We had a first leg up, first retrace, second leg up, second retrace, and now we are currently in our third and final leg up, which will top out in a double top formation, and that is where we will reverse in 3 steps to the downside. That's what the market maker does. Some call it Wyckoff distribution. You can call it whatever you want, but this is the main idea of a markup and a markup phase. So what we need to wait for is a double top formation. We have the next volume candle, which is unrecovered at around, I would say at around 40k. That is where we last had a big volume candle with open orders, which hasn't been filled yet. So we need to tap into that zone. From there, we will do something like this, double top formation, and we will recover some of the volume candles we have created during this markup phase. And the next target to the downside is at 29.9k. Break that. Yeah, we have all the way down to 17.6k. A lot of volume candles which haven't been filled yet. But don't go short yet. Not financial advice. You do whatever you want to do, but wait for a double top formation confirmation. And that is when we create the high, retrace, have a little pump to the upside, and then when we break it, so around here, when we confirm a volume candle close below this low right here, that is theoretically when you could go short, but you do whatever you want to do. Looking at the news events for this week, we have Jerome Powell speaking in a couple of hours. Other than that, quite a slow week. Next week, however, is kind of a big week, because on November 1st is the federal funds rate release and statement and press conference. Could this pump be a setup before we get shocking news from the Fed next week? Who knows? Let's wait and see. Looking at the liquidation map, still a lot of longs being opened. People think it's the start of a bull run, and people get greedy, of course. So a lot of money has been created for the market maker to grab to the downside. To the upside, quite slow until we get to around 41k. That is where we have a big money cluster for the market maker to grab. So make of this what you want. Now let's take a look at Chainlink. So Chainlink looking beautiful. As you can see, we broke out of this yearly range we've been in for at least since around, I would say, 9th of May 2022, which is a long time ago. And we've broken out of it from $6 to $8.5. We've been in that range for a while. Had a couple of spikes above, but never broke $10. Now we have broken it, closed some candle above it. As I told you in my last day trading update, we want to see Chainlink recover this volume candle to the downside, at least test the $8.5 range, and from there bounce and break this high right here. We are going to the upside, and we're gonna see possibly a $17 Chainlink in the next markup phase, if that happens. If not, wait to see what happens when we retest this, because we will do at some point this range. We haven't done it yet, so $8.5 could be the next target when Bitcoin tops out locally. We've seen some pretty interesting volume candles, as you can see right here, purple and blue. These two ones, those will get recovered, and usually when we see a change in volume, so sell orders coming in at the highs, that's usually a sign of a reversal. So wait for a reversal and wait until something happens at around $8.5. That's it for today. None of this was financial advice. You do whatever you want to do. This is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. Have a good one. Big Boss out.